These feathers aren't actually changing color. They're changing how you see them. Meet structural color. Peacock feathers don't use pigment, they bend light. Tiny layers reflect different wavelengths, making blues, greens, and golds appear and disappear. Hummingbirds? Their feathers act like prisms. One angle, fiery red, another, jet black. Even pigeons in your city flash purple and green under sunlight. No dye, no paint, just microscopic structures playing tricks with light. It's physics wearing feathers. Nature didn't invent color, it engineered it. Follow Critter Chronicles for more mind-bending animal science.